How to create a public profile on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the top left. After you click on your profile in here, click on public profile. Then click on the photos like icon at the top. After you click on the photos like icon at the top, it will open all your photos from camera roll. Select the picture you want to add as cover photo and press on upload at the top right corner of your screen. Now drag up and down to crop the image and press on apply at the top right. After you've applied it, in here press on the pencil-like icon at the top. In here you can add your bio, add your location if you want, and you can also turn on show follower count. You can also add your profile picture. Now if you go back, make sure you add your story and make sure it's in the spotlight. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to create a public profile on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.